Hi, I'm James with Zone 1 Pro. I'm going to go over a few of our items we have here. Give a little bit of explanation. A lot of questions been asked. I'm going to show you how to change the filter in the unit. Just want to walk through some of this and go over it with you. So the main thing here is a filter gun. So these guns filter the air down to 0.01 micron. So basically what we've done is we always hear point of use filtration, but we never really see true point of use filtration. So we came up with this idea of creating a gun with filter the air for drying off after sanitation or used during food product runs, however you want to look at it. So the neat thing about it is of course it's 0.01 micron. So to change the filter, you unhook the gun. The good thing about this is now the gun can't be used. It actually kills the gun and the inability for it to be used without being plugged into a male air fitting here, quick connector. So we'll break this down real quick. Screw off the discharge end, has threads in it. So we'll screw it off. Set it to the side. You got this little tool here and it's got like a T-handle on it. So what you do is you stick it in the slotted hose. If you look, it's got a slotted hose in the end. Twist it at 90 degrees and then screw down this to compress and grab, and it pulls the filter assembly out of the housing. Discharge of the filter assembly, throw all these units in a COP tank or whatever you feel like you need to do. New filter, reinsert, spin, take out, take the head, and the head, when you screw it in, will actually set the filter at the right depth. So no worries about, how far should I push the filter in, how should I set it? It'll do it for yourself. New filter's in. Put it in, snap on, you're ready to go. So we're taking this to the next level though. So what we've realized is 0.01 microns point of use filtration is needed in a lot of different areas, more than just air wand. So what we've done is we've taken that same housing and we've made an NPT in and out. So this is just a standard. You can get either a mini or a standard, just regular NPT fittings. So you can put it wherever you need it as far as in a line for gases, nitrogen, CO2, any kind of air that you feel like needs to be filtered out. We also went ahead and created a triclover connection. So these are 1.5 inch triclover standards, so both of them. So we have that just in case you want to do that. We also have what we call the Max. It's a big boy here, but this will hold up to 990 CFM of air, gas, whatever you need to run through it. Same style, same setup, 0.01 micron filtration. Here's one of the bigger guns. So there's not a lot of difference between the two. The size difference, the main reason for the size difference is compactness. If you need to be in a tight area with this gives you a little more flexibility. They both handle the same CFM of air and the same micron filtration. The bigger filter though will give you longer life. You got more surface area. So something to think about. So that's a quick rundown on all the different filters. Just another thing too, these nozzles here, I've just got the standard shorty nozzle on there, but for some applications you may want to reach out and touch somebody or get into a tighter spot when they're cleaning. You may have to have a farther reach, and in that case then we offer a longer end here, so you can snap it on to your gun and then have a little bit bigger, if you can see that good, bigger area to reach in and blow things out if you need to. So that's a quick rundown. Website, of course, you know where it's at, zone1pro.com. There's numbers at the bottom if you feel like you need to call and talk to me. I'll explain everything I can to you and make sure we're all educated on this. So I appreciate it.